Hi and welcome back. As you can see, I'm sitting here with my Canon Rebel T6. I've had this camera for some years now and I absolutely love it. I really don't have any complaints about this camera. The only small issue that I've had with it, well, I'll show you, because I'm kind of going through it right now. Here it is. It's just the battery life. In fact, that's a pretty common issue for people who want to shoot video with this camera. The quality is great. It's a wonderful camera. It's very user friendly, but it's just the battery life. And so behind him is a remedy for that. So we're going to do a little bit of unboxing. What are you stuck on? Go over there. We have here a box, a brown box, a cardboard box, and in this box there's a remedy for this issue. So this is the FlYHi AC power adapter charger kit. So here he is. Oh, I'm hitting stuff. So this obviously goes into the wall, and this is a $13.99 fix for the issue of the battery. Thanks to our good friends at Amazon. This is not sponsored. I wish it was, but it's not. And then there's this. And it looks like we have a user guide, so instructions. Alright, so the user's guide, we have an introduction to it. They tell us the assembly setup. You know, the pictures are what's most helpful. So we have this guy here. He needs to come out of his house. Draw your bag. Thank you. I'm dropping stuff. I've reached the stage in the evening where I'm tired, but I can't go to sleep. So might as well do something somewhat productive. So this plugs into here like that, right? Then this right here, he goes into here, just like that. Wrong way, not just like that. So next we pop him open, pop out this here battery, boom. Then our new friend, he's gonna go into him like that, bam. Now I read that you're supposed to be able to close it, and sure enough you can. So as you can see, this little rubber lip lifts so the cord can come out and the door for the battery can close securely. And I would just plug this into an outlet, and then you have continuous battery life without having to worry about your camera dying. So this guy here, he works for the Canon T3, T6, T7, T100, the KISS X50, I've never heard of that one before, the KISS X70, the 1100D, 1200D, 1300D, 2000D, and 4000D. It does have like a specific note that it does not work for the T3i, the T5i, or the T6i, or I guess the M series cameras. However, if you look on Amazon, like they have them for pretty much everything, and I'll definitely put a link in the description for this particular product.